Hey, how's it going? I'm Sean and this is Devlog 20 for Reaper of the Undead. This week I've just been working towards some of the changes I discussed in the last video, as well as some other changes. So the first thing I did this week was give the UI some polish. I've updated the button graphics and I've also started to introduce some consistency with the nav menu at the top. Most of the menu screens will have the nav menu, which just allows for nice navigation going back and forward through the menus. It also clears up space below for everything else that needs to be shown. You might notice there's no quick play button in the main menu anymore. I haven't removed quick play, I just have plans to do more with it and integrate it into the main game. It'll still be in the game, but it'll just be moved somewhere else. I plan on having some kind of hub or lobby type screen in the future where you can upgrade your character, unlock weapons and select levels. And the survival mode will be in there somewhere. It's all subject to change, but that's what I have planned right now. So if I hit play, I'll go to the weapons menu, same as before, but it's a bit different now. Obviously, as I just mentioned, there will be menus in between, I just haven't gotten around to that yet. So instead of starting with the rifle then unlocking pre-made weapons, all of the weapons will be randomly generated. Now when I say randomly generated, I don't mean that all stats are completely random. The way it'll work is that certain stats affect other stats. So for example, if the weapon is a multi-shot weapon, it'll have reduced damage to make up for the extra projectiles. It will also have a lower fire rate, lower penetration, but high knockback. So hopefully you won't see a shotgun that shoots like a machine gun and has lots of ammo. That's the plan anyway. Right now it does a decent job at balancing stats, but it's far from perfect at this point. The last little addition is to the game over screen. Previously it just had a continue button that went back to the main menu, so I've added a replay button and a quit button. So you can quickly play again, or if you want to change weapons, you can quit and select a new weapon. Just as a little side note, all of these changes are still work in progress, so you won't be able to try them out. I'm trying to update the game in such a way that I can release updates as I go. I just don't want to release updates that are going to break the game or that aren't fully working. For this update, it'll probably be a while until I can release a new build, since the weapon generation messes with how the upgrades work. I'll do my best to release an update as soon as I can, but I can't guarantee when. I think I should also mention that I'm starting to suffer from burnout. I just don't have the same motivation I once did. I might need to take a break for a week or two to recover, but I'll see what I can do about releasing an update before then. The only problem with releasing an update first is that I'm bound to get feedback and bugs that I'll probably have to fix. Anyway, I'll assess the situation next week and choose where to go from there. I just wanted to give you all a heads up so you know what's happening. Alright, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.